Yes, hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and excuse me if the sound is weird. For some reason my computer wants to mess with me. Anyway, let's listen to the 20th song that has been released, and that is the song from Serbia with the girl group of Eurovision, Hurricane, and they are back with the song Loco Loco, and the main question is this better than Hasta la Vista from last year? Okay. Oh, sounds promising. Oh, dance beat, yes. Okay, I like the beat. I mean, I want full dance offs from this one. Okay. I have to say, the chorus is actually the one I was like, ooh, okay. When it was going up and going up, I was like, yeah, I can imagine seeing a great dance show from the girl group. Yeah, let's listen more. I like the fact that they're singing in Serbian. I like that fact that they're singing not in English. It gives a more authentic vibe. We need girl group power in Eurovision too. I like the build up in the chorus. The chorus is going somewhere.
One, two, girls, come on.
Oh, I want dance beat now. Shaky, shaky girls. I can see it actually, this when they have the dance beat in the chorus and then they have the breakdown, and now this slower version of the song, you know, slow it down, gather yourself with the final break for the last chorus. Yes, I can see this coming. Oh, key change. Wow. I mean, the build-up in the chorus is fantastic, and the key change was a nice touch. I have to say, I think this is better than this is so much better than last year's Hasta la Vista song. I mean, I think the main plus, the A+ in this one is the chorus, because the build-up in the chorus and the way they deliver the chorus is fantastic. It gives me hope for a great stage show from the Hurricanes. Yeah, I think I have to say this was a nice surprise. I didn't know what to expect from the Hurricanes. I want to call them the Hurricanes, the Hurricane Girls, with Loco Loco. But I have to say, I was pleasantly surprised how good this song was. So, yeah, girls, I'm expecting a nice dance-off show on the stage. A lot of dancing, colors, camera angles, and all that. And bring the sexy pussycat dolls. Yar. Well, the Hurricanes from Serbia, good luck.